In this video, I'm going to show you how you put your batteries inside of this everbrite headlight. So this light takes 3 AAA batteries. This is brand new right out of the box, so they actually gave us everbrite batteries as well. These might not last that long, so you might want to upgrade the type of battery. Accessing where the batteries go is pretty easy. First step is just angle this all the way down and then put your thumb underneath this cutout of plastic and push forward. Kind of tricky to do with one hand, so give me a second here. Okay, I just broke the seal, so then you just push forward and you lean this back to expose where the batteries go. Like anything that uses batteries, the positive and negative sides need to go in a certain direction. That's indicated in the plastic on the inside. So go ahead and open up and get access to your batteries. And on the battery, you can see that there are positive and negative ends as well. They're also indicated right there. The positive is the one that has this protrusion, this nub on the end, and the negative side is the one that is flat. It also has a negative minus sign on the end. So I'll go ahead and put those in. So I'll go ahead and put those in according to how it's supposed to. Give me a second, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, I just finished that. Notice that the positive ends are alternating as you plug in the batteries. So then you're just gonna go ahead and shut the lid until it snaps. There's a yellow jacket on my hand. And now, when you press the button, your light will turn on. That's the strobe. There's red, it has various settings. That's pretty neat. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.